Medical nutritional therapy focuses on identifying deficiencies, rebuilding energy stores, and correcting damage caused by poor eating habits and substance abuse. It also helps manage health issues that occur when the body lacks essential nutrients. Nutritional therapy helps repair damage by restoring nutrient levels, supporting brain chemistry, stabilizing blood sugar, reducing withdrawal symptoms, improving mental health, and promoting long-term physical health. Eating whole foods, lean protein, enough good carbs and healthy fats supports your brain's recovery, brings your mood back, helps cravings calm down, and stabilizes your energy so you can think straight and face each day with clarity. This is about rebuilding you, your body, your mind, your capacity to live clean and live well. If you want recovery that digs deeper than just being sober and want to heal fully from the inside out, we've got you. Ready to start the real work of healing? Reach out to us now. We're here for you every step of the way. No judgment, just real support. Contact us today or visit morethanrehab.com. We're available 24/7, 365 days a year.